Hello, this is Cookie. This lesson we're going to work specifically with one function of using a curves adjustment layer. It's super fast, super easy, and the results can vary between subtle and dramatic, but it does make a big difference and it can make an image look much more polished and finished. So I've done all of the legwork here already. I have my combined image. You have, of course, several options. Your shortcut to get to the curves menu, Control M. You can also come to Image, Adjustments, Curves, and from your layer panel, if you have this option, you can click on, there we go, the little icon for adjustment layer, come down to curves. What we're looking at here for this particular lesson are these droppers, and this is your darkest point, midpoint, lightest point. We're going to choose the darkest point, and I can see that that is selected. I'm going to come over around here to her armpit, and you can see it brought everything together on the image so that the tones match a little bit better, and again, she's not so stand out. That said, yes, you can play with the other droppers. You can use them simultaneously, but it will have a different dramatic effect, but play. Always, always play. So I'm going to come back here to just the regular layer, turn that off, on, so you can see the difference. It brought it together a little bit with very little work. And from here you have the option to, again, duplicate your layer if you're going to do anything additional. And again, when I say duplicate, I mean combine all those previous images into one new merged layer. But this is it, literally that easy. Let me know if you have questions, if there's anything I've missed or it's confusing. Have a great day. Thanks.